TikTok is a popular social media app known for its short-form mobile videos. Users can create, watch, and share these videos. You can go live and interact with your audience. TikTok is a great source of entertainment, with funny skits, dance trends, and visually interesting content. Music and sound effects play a big role in TikTok videos. TikTok allows people to connect with others who share their interests. Businesses can leverage TikTok to reach a wide audience, promote products, and connect with potential customers. TikTok allows you to be entertained and stay connected with the latest trends. You can film and edit short-form videos, adding music, effects, text, filters, and transitions. TikTok allows for creative expression, entertainment consumption, and fostering a sense of community. You can find educational content on TikTok, from science experiments to language learning.